Hi guys, it's Tony. Let's show you the Henry Extra. I want to show you how good it is around some of the workshop floors here and also the top of the unit. Just see how good it is. So firstly, let's. I know you guys love these videos. So the thing about the Henry is it's got a big long cord. Always unwind the cord fully. For safety reasons, so we're going to put this in here. First thing we'll try out on the floor. Now on this particular button, it's a yellow button. It's half or full. We're going to put it on full. The nozzle on it is pretty good as well, so we'll turn it onto the worktop now. It goes along easy peasy along here. If you notice, like, there's a line where it's put into it. Now you don't need this on before you can just drop the power down a bit. So that's a quick look at that one, guys. I think I did a video on this with emptying this out as well. Well, I'll leave it. There's a new one. Let's just check it. Yeah, there's still plenty of room in that. Right, it's a great item to have for clearing out the workspace, keeping all the workspaces on the workshop nice and tidy. Again, make sure that these in are pushed right in. Done. Henry Extra goes at the front. So that's a quick look at that, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you later.